Hello, we're going to make a video, and in this video we will demonstrate installing MobaXterm. MobaXterm can be used for connecting to Linux workstations and getting graphics back to your local device, such as a laptop or desktop, which is running a Microsoft Windows operating system. Okay, first thing we're going to do for installing MobaXterm is we're going to open a web browser, and then we're going to type in MobaXterm download, and then we'll come to the first item here. It says MobaXterm with SSH, Telnet, RDP, etc. And it's at MobaXterm, mobatech.net. Now this can be downloaded and put on your personal device. The free version can. It's not to be currently loaded on a university-owned machine, simply because of licensing. But if you're a student, you can certainly download this and put it on your personal machine. So there's a free version here, and we're going to click download. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the installer edition on. So I'm going to click download, and you can see it downloading here. Okay, finishing up. It took about 30 seconds to download. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click. I could go to my downloads directory and run this. I'm going to run it from the web browser, so I'm going to click open file. And actually it brings me into my download directory to run it. So I'm going to, here it says MobaXterm installer. I'm going to click on the installer file. And it comes up with a dialog to get us through. So I'm just going to take basically default options. So I'll click next. I'm going to accept the terms of the license agreement. I'm going to accept where it wants to put it. And then I'm going to click install, so it will start installing. And then I'm going to click yes, I really do want to install it. And so it comes and it says that they can't find a particular file. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and click ignore. This will still run. I click ignore, and then I'm going to click finish. Okay, now we've installed it, so now we can close some windows here. I'm going to close the file manager window, and I'm going to close the excuse me, then I'm going to close the browser window. And you can see it puts a desktop icon here. Now this desktop icon doesn't work. I'll just click that to demonstrate that. So I'm actually going to just go ahead, and because that doesn't work, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. So I did a right click on it, and I'm going to hit the little trash can here and get rid of that icon. So if I go ahead and hit the start flag, and I come up here to all apps, and I scroll on down till I get to the M section, and if I click on the MobaXterm folder, and I come down here where the MobaXterm is located and click on it, first time I start up, it has to do some preparation. And there's the MobaXterm screen. It's got a couple of places where we'd like to put some holes in the firewall, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Allow Access, and there we go. There'll be other videos showing how to connect to various platforms, and this just basically shows how to install MobaXterm. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for listening.